Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to add chapters or episodes to a YouTube video. Let's begin. First, open the video you want to edit. For example, this 30-second video. Go to details and uncheck an important box before manually adding episodes. It's the automatic episodes option. Uncheck it and hit save. Now, to add our episodes, we'll enter the timecode for each one. For instance, 00. That's the start. This marks the video's beginning. It'll be our first episode. Episodes must be at least 10 seconds long. So the next one starts at 011. I'll save that and go back to the video. There, now we have episodes. That's all for today. This has been Whaler. See you next time.